So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the SAP ECC versus S4HANA pricing changes. We often face this interview question like, explain about the pricing changes between ECC and S4HANA. So we have already seen the ECC pricing changes, and now we are going to see the S4HANA pricing changes. The ECC pricing table KONV is completely eliminated, and it is replaced with the table called PRCD underscore elements. So majority of the times, majority of the people, they are not even explaining about this table, new table, which has been introduced in S4HANA system, that is PRCD underscore elements. The condition tables numbers are almost doubled. Earlier it was from 501 to 999 was the free usage. Now we can use the alphanumeric as well. That is from 9AA to 9YY. It is an example. So now we will be having the additional 484 condition tables to be used. The access number in access sequence has been doubled. That is 2 to 3 digits. In ECC, we were only able to place 999 tables. Now we can accommodate 999 tables. Assume that if we place 999 tables in S4HANA, and if we don't activate the exclusive indicator in that access sequence, so then the system will search for all the 999 tables, condition records, if they are maintained, and the last one will be determined. It is a huge impact on the system's performance. So we have to be very much careful whenever we are maintaining so many condition tables in an access sequence. So then we have to activate the exclusive indicator button in the access sequence. Document pricing procedure and customer pricing procedures, the lengths have been increased from 1 digit to 2 digit. That means 2-digit alphanumeric key we can use. The pricing requirements and formulas, the length has been increased from 3 to 7 digits. The group condition routine length also increased from 2 to 7 digits. In condition type control, we can see them and we can find them. The condition counter length, especially the 16 columns in the pricing procedure where we can see step counter. Count is nothing but within the step or mini step in the pricing procedure where the length from 2 to 3 digits, it has been increased. Here you can see the ECC. When we type ECC in the ECC system, the table KONV, it won't allow no KONV table, and it will give you the message like conditions obsolete, which is replaced with PRCT underscore elements. In a single table, we can see including the currency also. Now it has been included in this PRCT underscore elements. S4HANA system, we can see that. And this is how the pricing procedure 16 columns. It has been included one more column, that is 17th column. It was in the older versions up to 2000 October 2020 release, up to 2020 release, it was 17 columns. Now in the latest version, it is one more column has been added, that is accesses, that I'll show you all. So this is the relevant for account determination. So any statistical conditions or any special condition types, if the business wants to include them and then wanted to post their values to the accounting, so then we have to activate this button relevant for account determination. However, by default, all these condition types, any condition type, whatever we create in ECC or S4HANA system, whether it is an item condition or a header condition, definitely we will have to assign one account key. So with respect to the account key, the system will post the respective accounts to the respective GL accounts. So every GL account is again in turn associated with one. Every account key is in turn associated with one GL account. So this is the SD and FI integration part. So this account formulas and then requirement, all those things have been increased to 7 digits. If you see the ECC one, so we have already seen this, that is pricing procedure with 16 columns. Here there is no account determination column, and one more column that is accesses. So the authorization we can provide to the respective users. So like that, we can have that one, that screen, that field value, I will show you in the system. The path, how it looks like. So the display IMG screen, where we go to sales and distribution and then basic functions pricing. Under that pricing control, directly they are available, define condition tables, condition types, access sequences, and procedure. Whereas in S4HANA system, so pricing control, and then when you expand it, you will get the define condition table, create condition table, change condition table, and display condition table. And then we have to expand the access sequences. And define condition types directly, we can do that. And finally, we do the define and assign pricing procedures. So this is how the screen looks like between ECC pricing and S4HANA pricing to define them. This is the one which we were discussing also about the numbers. So almost now 3 digits, that means 999 accesses and then 999 tables. If required, we can add it to the system. And also we have to maintain the exclusive indicator. However, when we maintain the condition records for all the 999 tables, whatever we have placed, assume that we have placed, and all 999 condition records we have maintained, and we forgot to activate the exclusive indicator. Imagine how much time it takes. It takes so much of time, and then it is a huge impact on the system. So we have to be very much cautious while doing the setting in S4HANA system. So this is the one 99 tables in ECC access sequence. This is the one ECC access sequence. It allows only 99. And the exclusive indicator here, it is active. The customer pricing procedure. This one we maintain in the customer master data screen, where we maintain the 0, 1 or 1 in ECC and 0, 1, or even if it is 1 here also, the standard pricing procedure we will maintain. So this is the document pricing procedure in S4HANA. 2 digits it has been increased from 1 to 2 digits. That means we can define A1, A2, S1, S2, Z1, Z2. Like that, we can create our own document pricing procedure, and then we can assign the same. You can assign it to the sales document type also. The 3 digits in S4HANA, especially for the counter, the step within the step. So here we will maintain the main step, and this is the mini step. So now it is increased from 2 to 3 digits. So this is the screen of pricing condition type control. The ECC left hand side is ECC pricing condition type, and the right hand side is S4HANA pricing condition type. It is almost all similar. However, few things included, that is like in S4HANA, the condition technique, and then everything is same. The inclusion point as well as condition function. Also the changes which can be made. Which is like it is like a vertical session where you can see header condition, item condition, deletion indicator, amount, percentage, or quality relation, value, calculation type. It is looking like a different thing compared to ECC thing. But all the parameters are same. All the options, whatever are there in changes which can be made in ECC pricing condition type and S4HANA pricing condition type, both are same only. And we have a condition index, condition update, and this is obsolete. All the things are as it is available. Scales, this also we have seen in ECC system. So now we will see the what I can say in the S4HANA system, how it looks like. So let me go to SPRO. The path we will see as SAP reference IMG. If people might have seen in ECC, now this is in S4HANA system, how the pricing screens looks like. Basic functions, pricing, and pricing control. So here we can see condition tables and field catalog. So I will take you all to the condition tables creation screen or any creation screen. Let us see that one. And you people can see here the list of tables which are already there in the system. So assume that we are going to create one condition table, that is 50. 9 is already there, 510. The difference between ECC, we are going to now identify. Here, earlier it was having in this screen itself, the field catalog was showing in ECC system. In S4HANA system, you people can see the a description of the field which you wanted to include them into the field catalog, into the table selected field, along with the technical names. Earlier it was not there. Now it is there in S4HANA system. So this is the major change. Again, you people can recollect them while explaining during interview sessions. Just come back. The same thing, change field catalog for pricing in sales. And then you can see the field catalog also. So this is how the same, it is similar to ECC. Then define condition types. It is entirely a different compared to ECC, you can see now. So here, 3 screens like set condition types. There we will get define condition types. So you can see this one. So this remains same. So whatever the standard pricing condition type is there, so we can see that one. Here, this is the one. So the condition technique, we are using it as SAP S4HANA, determining source. Sometimes, so the pricing will be determined directly from the CRM systems. So that is why whenever you wanted to do it, so that time we have to select the option A here. Condition function. So it is like manual item value, standalone price. Any standalone prices are there. Any other special other than our normal industries, any special indicators are there. So that time we can use this condition function. And the rest of the things remain same. This is an item condition. So group condition, if at all you wanted to apply, it is for the header conditions, we can do it. And the group condition routines. And here we can see this is how it is designed in a vertical manner compared to ECC system. The rest of the things remains as usual, like condition index, condition update, pricing procedure, supplement pricing procedure, delete from the database, everything remains same. This is about the pricing condition type. Access sequences. So this is the one, earlier it was like a different thing. So directly we were getting defined access sequences in ECC. Here you can see in S4HANA, so set access sequences, double click on it. We know that table is cross-client always. So if I go to PR00, just let me go to accesses. So this is how it looks like. It is completely similar to ECC. Now I just go to the new entries and then show you all this one, how many digits it will allow us to include. See, 1, 2, 3. See, now it is allowing us to add 999 accesses, and then table number you wanted to give 999, you can give. So now, so this is how, assume that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like that up to 999 tables 999 accesses, and then you defined 999 tables. All those 999 tables you have assigned here, and then we will do the field assignment also. And we have to do this exclusive indicator. So in this scenario, if only one access sequence with all the condition tables, we can include them, and then the same access sequence can be assigned to the multiple condition types wherever they are required. So that also possible. And we have to make sure that this exclusive indicator is active so that the system's impact will not be going down. So that is what the meaning of this one. Let me cancel it. I don't want to enter. So this is how we can see it. So then define and assign pricing procedures. We'll go there. So here you can see set pricing procedures. First, let us see the pricing procedure. Our standard pricing procedure is RVAA01. And here it was control data, now procedures control data. Double click on it. And here we are. So this is the S4HANA pricing procedure. And reduce this subtotal. Anyhow, we've seen it requirement. Yes, here. See now, step counter, condition type, a description, from and to column, which has got two functionalities as a base as well as a range between condition types, manual. So that particular condition type will become manual. So we can enter it as a manual condition type. Required when you activate it, it is mandatory condition type, statistical, relevant for determination. This is the one. Relevant for account determination. Yeah.
That step also added, I think, sir.
Yes, step is there. Yeah, we can.
The two step.
Yeah, it is added 2 step. From and to, it was 2. Here, the field step is added. Yes. So it was from and to. Yes, you are right. 2 step included in that. So this is the one relevant for account determination. Print type, we have seen subtotal requirement. It is a factor that restricts the access of the condition type. It is written using the transaction code VOFM by the ABAP consultants. Alternative calculation type, alternative condition base value, accruals, so account key. So each and every condition type is 100% associated with one account key, and each account key is in turn associated with one GL account. So that respective values are posted to the respective GL accounts like sales revenues, sales deductions, tax revenues, and freight revenues. All those values are posted to the respective GL accounts, especially for the rebate accruals. So it will be stored in the provisional account. It is the integration between SD and FI, and then a base for the revenue account determination. So this is the one access level whom they have to approve it. So there are no entries maintained so far. However, you can see the field functionality. It is a customer-specific degree of sensitivity you attribute to price elements. You can use access levels to control the access of your business users to price elements in business documents. For example, the profit margin in the sales order can be displayed only by a sales manager. So if at all he wants to see it, it can be seen by the sales manager. However, the access levels consist of 4-digit number and a description. You can use all numbers from 1 to 9,999. Number, all zeros is the initial value for the access level. That is, with the access level, all zeros display and change authorizations are always granted to all business users independent of their authorization. For example, my number is 1234, and then I can see the profit margin in the sales order. So my number will be associated so that only I can see. So based on the numbers, whatever we assign, the number has been given. For example, 1234 is my employee ID. I'm a business user and I wanted to see the profit margin. So then that number is associated here. The similar way, other things also. So this is why, so we need to understand the importance between ECC pricing procedure and S4HANA pricing procedure. Now, one thing you have to keep in your mind that S4HANA pricing procedure has got two more fields included, two more columns included to the 16 columns in ECC versus 18 columns in S4HANA system. So it is the one relevant for account determination. So I'll just expand it completely. Relevant for account determination. If you activate it, that means that particular condition type is relevant for the account determination. However, all the condition types, we are going to see them. All the condition types are relevant for the revenue account determination, however. So this is how the 16 columns in the ECC and then 18 columns in the S4HANA system looks like. The screen looks like. Now let me go back. And here set customer pricing procedures. So this one I'll take ECC system also. So under sales and distribution, this is ECC system, basic functions and pricing control. So all the things are available. So condition tables. So if you see the condition table, any table will give, see here, this is ECC pricing condition table where the field catalog is associated unless and until you check the double click on the field which you wanted to create and then go to the technical view, you will not be knowing the technical field value. Whereas in S4HANA, here it is associated. This is the one thing. And access sequences we have seen, condition types. Here we can see define condition types. Here we get maintain condition types, whereas in S4HANA, set condition types. Define access sequences here, it will, in S4HANA, it is set access sequences. If you click on that one, set access sequences and set pricing procedures. So we'll go to, yeah, here. See here, this is the screen, maintain pricing procedures, and this is set pricing procedures. That is the difference. And set customer pricing procedure, set document pricing procedure. Here we can see 2 digits. We go to new entries, it will allow 1, 2. So 2 digits, it will allow. So it is not required. However, I just customer pricing procedure. So already 1 is also there, that is standard. So you wanted to make a change out of it, you can put it as A1, A2, A3 as a change.
Here
Document
3
pricing.
also allowing.
No, 3 it won't take. Only 2 digits. You see, I'll go to new entries. 1, 2, 3. If I enter, so it is not taking. It is a document pricing procedure. This document pricing procedure, suppose if you have created a new thing, so then you have to assign it to the document pricing process in the sales documents. That also, see here, this is the one. Whatever the new step, new one which you have created, that document pricing procedure, assume that you have created with A2, someone has created Y1, it has assigned it to inquiry, which is 2 digits alphanumeric key. So that we have to assign it to our sales document type, whatever we create in the system. And set pricing procedure determination, This remains same. Here, define pricing procedure determination. Here it is assign document pricing procedure, assign, everything is assigned. So in S4HANA, it is set pricing procedures, set customer pricing procedures, set document pricing procedures. So here you can click on this button. The screen remains same. Define pricing procedure determination. See, everything looks like, but it is a bit enhancement. The screen is now enhanced. So here you can, this is your pricing procedure, sales organization, distribution channel, division, document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure, and pricing procedure. So you wanted to specify your condition type, that also you can specify over here. So these are all the changes between ECC and S4HANA pricing procedures, how it looks like. So here it is now 18 digits, 18 columns, one more column included, that is access level. So anyone we can take for that matter. So this is the one, access levels. Because why I am showing you multiple times, so that you people will recollect them and revise them. In your mind, it will populate once or twice, so that you will be able to explain the same during your interview process. So that is why, so these two times they're relevant for account determination and access levels. These two new fields or columns have been included into the pricing procedure in S4HANA system. So this is what we have seen. So this screen and the last one. So this is the most important thing. At a high level, you can explain the table in ECC pricing table. No KONV, KONV table is available in ECC pricing, whereas in S4HANA PRCD underscore elements, there is no KONV table available. 16 columns in pricing procedure, whereas in 18 columns in pricing procedure. Let me include this. 18 columns in the pricing procedure. Length of customer pricing procedure is in ECC, it was 1 digit. In S4HANA, it is 2 digits. Length of document pricing procedure, 1 digit in ECC and 2 digits in S4HANA. That means 1 to 2 digits, it has been increased. Only 99 tables can be placed in one access sequence in ECC pricing. Whereas in S4HANA pricing, we can place 999 tables in one access sequence. Condition tables available were 1 to 999 in ECC, whereas in S4HANA, we have additional 484 alphanumeric condition tables can be created and then placed. Condition type counter, it was 2 digits in ECC and now 2 to 3 digits in S4HANA pricing. So that is up to you based on your client's requirements, whether you wanted to increase and then create. That is up to you. And then formulas also 2 to 3 digits. So here, so for example, if you go to alternative calculation type, so this is the one. It was earlier only like 2 digits it was. See now 3 digits up to 7 digits you can include while creating it. So this is taken care by our technical consultants, ABAP consultants. So they will write this in the routines VOFM transaction. So here, if you go to these requirements, pricing. So here it is. So just I'll scroll completely down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So routine. So I think this requirement is only 3 digits. formulas. Yeah. So I'll scroll down. Let me check. So this is also 3 digits only. So somewhere they have incorporated 7 digits. So this is the direct one where we can come to VOK0 transaction code. So and then VOFM is the transaction code they use for at each and every level, like outputs, copy controls, everything. It looks like here. Data transfer, copying requirements, and formulas. So this is the one, these are the major things, and this is the one which we have to always keep it in our mind. ECC pricing condition type, and then S4HANA pricing condition type. So it looks like this, and this is the one. However, the remaining things all are remain same only. Whatever the other field values are there, all the field values are remaining same.